Here I've got Nokia X71 and let me show you how to set up date and time on the following device. So at first let's open the list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Here you should go to System, which is the last tab, and then select date and time. And you can either use an automatic date and time or you can switch it off and then set the date and time manually by yourself. You can also switch off automatic time zone the same way, smoothly by tapping, and then just select time zone at first region from the list of regions and time zones. Finally, you can change the format of your clock, so you can use either 24-hour format clock or you can switch it off and have 12-hour format clock. Whenever you would like to go back to automatic setup, smoothly tap on those switchers and now we are in automatic date and time. If you will click on automatic date and time one more time, as you can see, it switched off again. So that would be all. This is how you can set up date and time in your Nokia. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.